Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is proofs about parallelograms, but we're really just going to be focusing on the diagonals and creating parallelograms based on facts about the diagonals. All right, so like a rectangle. All right, we don't need to write this down, but I'm going to just write it down. It's a quad with 4 right angles. Okay, now we know how to construct a right angle. We could do that 4 times. It would be pretty tedious, but if we do it with diagonals, the diagonals are congruent. So basically we just have to make 2 congruent lines and then, or segments, and connect the endpoints, and we got what we want. All right, so all I gotta do is make some random center. I'm gonna label that E. All right, when you're doing this on your sheet, I would recommend trying to kind of space it out as I am. All right, we're not gonna be super precise with our measurements or pick specific lengths. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. But we just wanna make sure we give ourselves enough room to create stuff. All right, so I made a center, made a circled center.E. Now all I have to do here, this is just completely random. Okay, I made 1 diameter. Okay, that's AC. I'm gonna make another random diameter. Call that BD. Okay, now the facts about a diagonal, and I probably should have wrote this out before I got super excited and started, is they're congruent. All right, so basically I just made 2 diameters in the same circle, so they have to be congruent. So this is why this one works. All right, so facts about diagonals is in a rectangle, they are congruent and bisect each other. All right, so right here I could see boom, 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 boom. All right, then AC would be congruent to BD. All right, those are the diagonals themselves. And then I could break it down into all these midpoint stuff right here. He's essentially a midpoint of everything, where we get all these minor segments congruent to each other as well.